Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I am Siddharth, and today we are going to take a closer look at a very popular watch which has gained cult status amongst Timex lovers. It is the Timex Expedition MF13. Mainly a field watch, it's a mix of everything. The highlight being the combination of analog and digital displays, and it is also the most affordable Timex Expedition I have seen. I've been using this watch for a few weeks now, and I have a lot to say. So let's find out what makes this watch so special. The Timex Expedition MF13 is a versatile and rugged unisex timepiece, featuring both analog and digital displays. It is designed for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone in need of a durable, reliable watch. Part of Timex's ever-popular Expedition series, this particular model with the beige dial and brown straps has been a best-selling watch for more than a decade. It comes in different straps and dial colors, with all the colorways complementing adventure and outdoors. While it has been discontinued, you will still have some versions being sold from retail inventories across the world, but you'll have to be lucky to get your hands on one of these. The MF13 features a multi-layered resin case and a screwed-down stainless steel back. This stylish Timex has a round dial, 4 push buttons, a rotating crown, and a unidirectional bezel which are neatly distributed around the protective fiber case. The dial, featuring both the traditional watch hands and a digital display, is housed in a 38 mm wide and 11 mm thick resin case. That's perfect for those who prefer a slightly smaller watch. With an overall weight of 30 grams, the watch is lightweight and an easy all-day wear. Like a true military design field watch, the beautiful black on beige dial layout has 24-hour markers for time reading in both formats. While the primary Arabic hour numerals are large and easy to read, the numerals for 13 to 24 markers are tiny and eye-straining. The 5, 6, 7 numbers have given way to house the digital section. The three-hand analog layout is clear and precise, and the digital screen shows the information you need without being cluttered. All the hands have a decent lume for low light situations, but who needs a lume when you have a backlight like the Indiglo? The watch gets an unidirectional rotating bezel which has non-numbered markings and compass directional markers printed. Although the 60 clicks bezel may look as if it is meant for aesthetic appeal for an adventure watch, it is fully functional ring which gives both compass as well as elapsed time readings. The watch is also scratch resistant, making it durable enough to handle rough usage. The mineral glass that covers the dial is fairly resistant to scratches, although not as scratch proof as sapphire crystal, but at this price point it is more than acceptable. The watch also fulfills the basic water resistant requirements of a field watch, with a water resistant rating of up to 50 meters, so no worries about splashes, rain, or even some light swimming. The strap is made of leather with a metal buckle closure. It feels secure with two keepers, one fixed and the other moving. The strap says it is water resistant, which makes it nice for outdoor activities or just wearing it on a hot day. The strap exudes good quality and craftsmanship with Expedition and Timex embossing and neat stitching. Timex really nailed the rugged aesthetic look with this one. It has that tough adventure ready look, but it is still refined enough for everyday wear. So you have got an analog display with traditional hands for telling time, complemented by a digital screen located at the bottom of the face. The standard time display with the analog hands is easy to use, and to set the time, all you need to do is fully pull the crown and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise till the hands indicate the desired time. Press back the crown to start the time. The digital display is bright and easy to read, but it is small, which might make it a little hard to read for those with impaired vision or who prefer a larger screen. The MF13's digital clock includes a range of practical features. First, you have the standard time mode with hour, minutes, and seconds complementing the analog time. Next, there is a dual alarm, one each for the two time zones, useful for setting reminders or waking up during your outdoor adventures. You get a 24-hour countdown timer, which is perfect for timing activities like cooking or workouts. Next comes the 24-hour chronograph function with lap or split option to help you time sporting activities. You also get a second time zone, useful feature when you are hopping countries. Plus, you get a day and date, which is useful to plan and schedule meeting and travel. Lastly, there is the military time, which shows the time in 24-hour format. It is great for those who prefer using military time, especially during outdoor adventures when precise timing is essential. The standout feature of this watch is Timex's Indiglo backlight. With a simple press of the A button, the watch face illuminates, making it incredibly easy to read in low light conditions. To keep the Indiglo on in glow mode for 3 seconds, long press the A button and release on the beep. The backlight is bright and covers the entire dial, making it especially helpful when you are outdoors at night or in the dark. Do not be alarmed by the dark spot at 11 o'clock. It is an impression created by the internal conductor and it is not a manufacturing defect. Now a word or two about comfort and how this watch feels day to day. I have worn it during workouts, hiking, and just everyday life, and I have to say it's super comfortable. The leather strap is soft and doesn't irritate your skin even during longer wear. In terms of usability, the buttons on the side are easy to press and the watch face is large enough that everything is easy to read at a glance. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or just commuting to work, this watch has a great balance of form and function. What I love most about the MF13 is that it doesn't feel overcomplicated. It's got just the right amount of features, enough to keep you informed, but not so many that it gets overwhelming. As far as the watch performance goes, let me tell you that the Timex's 930 quartz movement is accurate and reliable and shows a deviation of only plus minus 15 seconds on a monthly basis. The Timex Expedition MF13 uses a long-lasting Panasonic CR2016 cell, and with frugal use of the Indiglo nightlight, the battery can last up to 4 years. Now before I conclude, let me tell you about the pros and cons of the watch. First with the pros. The watch is built with a rugged resin case and scratch-resistant glass, making it highly durable and resistant to daily wear and tear, perfect for outdoor activities. The 37 mm case size means it will suit smaller wrists and ladies can also go for it. With 50 meters of water resistance, the Timex Expedition MF13 is suitable for swimming, showering, and other water-related activities without worry. The leather strap is soft, classy, and lightweight, providing comfort for all-day wear, whether you're hiking or simply wearing it at office. The combination of analog hands and a digital display is both stylish and functional, giving you easy access to time, date, and additional features like the alarm and countdown timer. Timex's signature Indiglo backlight ensures you can easily read the watch face in low light or darkness with just a press of a button. The watch includes useful features like an alarm, countdown timer, and military time mode, making it versatile for various activities. It is built to handle shocks and impacts, which makes it ideal for active users or anyone who needs a rugged timepiece. For its durability, features, and overall performance, the Timex Expedition MF13 is a great bargain at around Rs 2000. For all the pros, there are a few cons too. While the rugged look is appealing to many, the design might feel a bit too simple or utilitarian for those who prefer more refined or fashionable timepieces. The digital display, while functional, is relatively small and may not be easy to use or read without the backlight. Although it's a unidirectional functional bezel, it is a bit flimsy. It doesn't come off, but its static movement is sure to put you off. The second time zone feature is very limited as far as IST is concerned. Firstly, only the T2 hour column can be changed, and secondly, T2 minutes get set by default as per the T1 minutes. For example, Washington at minus 9:30 IST cannot be set as T2, but Tehran at minus 2 IST can be set as T2 due to the time difference of full hours between IST. So to wrap up, should you buy the Timex Expedition MF13? Well, definitely yes. If you are looking for a watch which is suitable for both outdoors as well as office settings, the Timex Expedition MF13 is an excellent choice. The blend of analog and digital displays makes it very functional, and the build quality will ensure that it takes on the rigors of daily life. It has an MRP of Rs 4495, but Timex watches are often available at a discounted price. If you are lucky, it will be available on one of the online platforms at a discounted price of around 2000. With such a price point and added to that the low stock status makes this watch rare and most wanted. I was lucky to get mine from the Swiss Time House. I will leave the buy link in the description below. Please check it out. That brings me to the end of today's review. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to provide you the most comprehensive and informative review of MF13 on YouTube. If you like this review, do let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions regarding the MF13, do let me know in the comments box. I'll be happy to answer them. If you like watching product reviews, do subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you again next time with another interesting product. Take care. Peace.